Hi everyone, my name is Chris Miller and welcome to my course, Xamarin.Forms Shell. I'm a software architect at Untitled Technologies and a Microsoft MVP for development technologies. This course will introduce you to Shell, a new way of creating Xamarin.Forms apps. You can create new apps with less effort when you use Shell. Some of the topics that we will cover include how Shell compares to the master detail template, understanding the Shell navigation types, creating a flyout menu, working with UI navigation, how to use the search functionality that comes with Shell, how to add group headers to the flyout menu, how to use an icon font for scalable images on the flyout menu, and we'll briefly touch on writing a custom renderer for Shell. By the end of this course, you will know the basics of how to use Shell to quickly create a new app with Xamarin.Forms. You will know how to use the UI navigation to quickly jump to any page in the app, and you'll be able to easily add custom search capabilities. You don't need to be an expert with Xamarin.Forms, but you should have some experience with it before watching this course. I hope that you will join me on this journey on Xamarin.Forms Shell at Pluralsight.